Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Figma website. Once the page loads, take a moment to get familiar with its layout before proceeding. In the top right corner of the website, locate the option marked with Log In and give it a click. This action will bring you to the sign in interface for Figma. After clicking Login, you will see an option to continue with Google. Select this option to use your Google credentials to sign into your Figma account quickly. When you click Continue with Google, a prompt will appear asking you to choose one of your Google accounts. Carefully select the account you wish to use. This will instantly sign you in and redirect you to your Figma workspace. Once you are logged in, you can move on to accessing your project. Open your project by navigating within Figma to the project you intend to work on. Although a direct link may be provided for convenience, you can also find your project by scanning through your recent files. Take a moment here to ensure that you have the correct project open before advancing to the next steps. In the Figma project, the layout should appear with the design interface and project files readily accessible. With your project visible, direct your attention to the design editor area. Position your cursor over the editor and perform a right click. This might feel slightly different if you are using a trackpad or a mouse, but as soon as you right click, you will be presented with an interactive context menu. From this menu, select the option that leads to plugins. This transition is important because plugins extend Figma's functionality and are essential for adding specialized elements to your design. After opening the plugins menu, look for the Artboard Mockups option and click on it. This will launch a selection of available mockup templates curated to fit within your design framework. When the Artboard Mockups panel appears, browse the available templates and choose the one that best fits your project's requirements. Following your selection of a mockup, it is time to incorporate your own image into the chosen frame. Carefully place your image in the designated frame area, making sure that it aligns correctly with the design elements. This step allows your creative work to take on a new dimension as you integrate personal imagery into professional mockup templates. The final step involves rendering the mockup to see the final preview. To do this, click on the Render Selected Frame option. Clicking this button will process the mockup and display it in full detail, allowing you to review the final composition of your design. At this point, you should have a complete and visually appealing mockup ready to be shared or further edited. By following these detailed instructions, you have successfully set up and rendered a mockup in Figma. Each stage, from logging in to rendering the final frame, allows you to build confidence in using Figma and its powerful plugins for design enhancement. Enjoy exploring more features within Figma as you continue to expand your creative projects.